Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce you my new teddy bear. This creation was made by me following the instruction that I found on Pinterest to create this 10-inch little baby girl bear. She is totally posable. I believe she is weighing about almost 2 pounds, a little bit less than that. She has polymiclay and resin eyes made by myself too. She can sit, as you can see, and she doesn't follow the regular teddy bear style. She's totally developed by my own taste, like to be like a baby. She wears a newborn preemie diaper. She has a handmade headband too. Her head turns side to side, and that's she is. I hope you like her and see you soon. If you are interested about my art, just follow the links below. Bye bye.